citizens must be responsible, but the rule of law must work. Who must do their work? Enforce the rules, that's all.
And therefore, you can't afford to slack.
So I need to talk to you about something.
Okay, tell me about it.
KK, I need money.
Isabella, you don't expect me to divert public projects for personal gain.
Trust me.
And I'm sorry, I can't.
You know I have my ways. Do you want your money or you want to police my life?
Yes, of course.
I need this. We need this.
It's for an exclusive group of high flyers.